Still getting red bumps after waxing, or feeling more pain than necessary? Let's fix that. These 7 Brazilian waxing mistakes are holding you back in 2025. Mistake: waxing with hair that's too short or too long. Length matters more than you think. Too short or too long will ruin everything. Hair should be about 1/4 inch, the size of a grain of rice. Too short, wax won't grip, causing patchy results. Too long, increases pain and breakage. Always trim longer hair before waxing. Avoid shaving between waxes, it resets the growth cycle. Proper length equals smoother finish and better regrowth control. Mistake: not prepping the skin before waxing. Think you can just wax without prep? Think again. Clean skin with gentle, oil-free cleanser. Avoid lotions or oils before waxing. Exfoliate 24 hours before to remove dead skin. Tat the area completely dry before starting. Skip caffeine, reduces skin sensitivity. Wear breathable clothing to prevent sweat before waxing. Mistake: ignoring your menstrual cycle. Yes, your period actually affects your waxing pain. Avoid waxing during menstruation. Skin is more sensitive. Pain threshold is lowest during your period. Ideal window: mid-cycle days 10 to 20. You may also bleed slightly more during your period. Skin inflammation is more likely when hormones fluctuate. Schedule ahead to avoid surprises and discomfort. Mistake: choosing the wrong wax type. Using the wrong wax can cause irritation, not smooth skin. Hard wax is ideal for Brazilian areas, less painful. Soft wax may pull skin and cause more redness. Hypoallergenic waxes are best for sensitive skin. In 2025, many salons use cooling or low-temp waxes. DIY kits should always match your skin type. Read ingredients, avoid synthetic fragrances or dyes. Mistake: not holding the skin taut. Loose skin equals more pain and possible bruising. Stretch the skin with one hand while waxing. Tight skin reduces pulling and lowers pain, especially important for the bikini and inner thigh areas. Always pull wax strips in the opposite direction of hair growth. Don't rush, stay in control with firm movements. This technique prevents post-wax bruises and cuts. Mistake: neglecting aftercare. What you do after waxing is just as important as the wax itself. Apply aloe vera or chamomile gel to soothe skin. No hot showers or saunas for 24 hours. Avoid tight underwear or clothing post-wax. Don't touch or scratch the area to prevent infections. Exfoliate gently 2 to 3 days later to prevent ingrown hairs. Use fragrance-free moisturizers to keep skin soft. One-time waxing won't give you long-term results. Stick to a routine every 4 to 6 weeks is ideal. Skipping sessions disrupts hair growth cycles. Regular waxing weakens hair over time. Less regrowth means less pain next time. Avoid shaving between appointments. Sit and does progress. Track your waxing calendar or set reminders. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.